Hi to all hotel and homestay owner. No matter you are running a 3-star or 5-star hotel, or you have running a homestay, please give me a minute to share to you. We are Maido Pro Cleaning Service Company. We specialize in 100% chemical-free mattress and pillow dry cleaning services. We are using advanced technology equipment to remove 98% dust mites in the mattress. This equipment was certified by Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America and the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers. Certifies is a proven air cleaner designed to reduce air pollutants that contribute to poor indoor air quality and met the carpet industry standard for all 3 elements: soil removal, dust containment, and carpet appearance. We keep all mattresses and pillows clean for your customers. Let your customers have a great experience. To stay in your hotel or homestay, contact us now to book for first free trial. Maido Pro Cleaning. Your health and comfort is our priorities.